Absolutely and totally yes. Guys, this one simple strategy took me from struggling with small trades to making my first 100k in trading. So now I backtested this strategy, I mastered this strategy, and now I use it almost daily, especially in GBP pairs as well as gold. But you can use this strategy on any other trading instrument as well, as long as you follow the rules. So if you are trying to flip a small account, it's bad news if you don't have an appropriate strategy that you use every single day, perhaps at the same time, okay? This is the most powerful strategy you can learn today, and I am giving it to you step by step, completely for free. So let's dive in, guys, okay? There is no magic in trading. Now, if you're new here, thank you for subscribing, and also thank you for joining my free Telegram channel. This is gonna be the first link below the video. Click, it's completely for free. Join my free Telegram channel. Actually, let me show you. So I'm sharing you some of my trade setups, educational content, and just basically trying to help you guys out, by sharing as much valuable information as I personally can. So now, step number 1, identify your key major support and resistance levels. If you can identify support and resistance levels accurately, then you are already ahead of 90% of the traders. Ideally, we would look for at least 2 to 3 times being touched in a price action. So if the candles are touching the same level 2 to 3 times, okay, that's the key level. Here we go, and this is the example of the support and resistance. So here is the resistance, so price touched this level once, twice, and then it broke out. And the same for support, it touched the same support once, twice, 3 times, and broken resistance, becomes a support, and broken support, becomes resistance. But what if I told you that the juiciest trades are those whenever you see the breakout not based on the support and resistance? So this would, for example, this would be a resistance, right? And this would be the support. However, what if I told you that the juiciest trades will be the ones where you look at the when you wait for the breakouts from previous swing highs and the previous swing lows. So this is the previous swing high. This is the previous swing low. Well, the previous swing low was touched several times, so that's indicating that this is pretty strong and great support. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna play this out. So let's take a look at this. If the price, so let's see how price is gonna go up or down. Okay, price is going up. Okay, so price is going up and coming close to our resistance. Step number 2. So step number 2 is we wait for the breakout to happen, okay? Strong breakout with volume. So we're looking for the breakout to happen. In this case, if the breakout happens on the upside, we will look for buy trades. We're gonna place buy trades. But now, not whenever the breakout happens, because breakout can happen, okay, and the price can still go down. So that will be a fake out. So how to avoid the fake out to breakout trades is by waiting and doing the third step. And the third step is waiting for the retest. Yes, waiting for the retest. So, patience pays profits. Don't chase breakouts, okay? Let the price pull back, retest the levels it broke, either with a big or small pullback. This is where pros enter, not during the breakouts. So whenever the breakout happens, okay, wait for it to rebound back and then enter. So one clean retest can be worth more than 10 random entries. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. I'm talking about this one, right? I'm talking about this. Look, okay. So this, for example, is the resistance and support. So whenever the price breaks out of the resistance, we are looking for this retest. That's where we enter the buy. And vice versa. If the price goes down and breaks the support, we are looking for the price to go back up and retest that support as resistance. Broken resistance, okay, becomes a support, and broken support, okay, when it goes retest, becomes our resistance. So, and we are waiting for these retest areas. And in real life, it's gonna look like this. Let me show you. So here is what, okay, so here would be the buy opportunity, but look at this, how it's gonna look like in real life. The best entries. Here we go. The price broke above. Great, we wait. And here we go. We wait for this reversal candle right here. See, the price broke out. And it's going back to retest this level. So whenever we see this retest candle, we are entering the trade at the next green candle. So we would enter the trade right here. We would zoom out to see where should we take our profit. We should take our profit at the next resistance that's above this breakout. Let's zoom out and we can see, oh, right, here is the next resistance. Okay, so we would take a profit around this area. So that is 0.13, 2 to 1 risk reward ratio, approximately, okay? Now, let's just see how it's gonna look like. And here we go, take profit reached from this breakout. So breakout happened, we wait for the retest, you know, and then we enter only here. In this way, we will eliminate if the breakout happens and the price reverses. That will be a game over. That'll be your stop loss hit. But here we wait for the breakout, we wait for this retest candle, and then we wait for the bullish candle, and that's where we enter. Now what we need to do is simply repeat the process. So swing high here, yes. Zoom out and make sure that it conforms with other key levels that happened in the past. And in the past we can see that yes, the price actually bounced, went up here, bounced back up here and here. So let's be more accurate. Let's zoom in and let's place this right here. And let's zoom out and let's see if it confirms. Yes, it confirms exactly. So this is previous swing high. That's where the price rebound, touched and went back down. So this would be our next, but a bullish breakout trade. So let's see, where should we enter this trade? Okay, here we go. Boom. Here we go. Look how beautiful, okay. So again, the breakout happened, a retest candle red, and then the green candle appeared. Now, if we enter this buy trade right here, where should we take a profit? To take a profit, zoom out, guys, and see where is the next key area. As you can see, in the next swing high from this, if the price goes up from here, look at this, okay? So, look at this, 1, 2, 3. So, look at this price. So, this would be a key, this is a key level right here. I would take my profit at the strongest key level where the price was bouncing, so I would take it a little bit lower. I would take my profit a little bit earlier always. So yeah, around this area. Okay, so let's see how this would play out. So we entered and here we go. And as you can see, also notice the price reached or take profit and stopped, went back down, and it continues to go up, but the price never goes up like it goes up, it goes down, up, little bit down. That little bit down is that resistance test or support test, and we entered at retest. So we entered. So this was the step number 4, entry trigger. We look for engulfing or pin bar. So now we need to wait for the confirmation. So wait for the bullish or bearish engulfing candle right after the retest level. This candle shows momentum returning, and now it's a good time to enter. So breakout happened. So the breakout happened. Retest is the red candle, and let's zoom in. Let me zoom in. So the breakout happened, red candle, and the next bullish candle. That's where we would enter these buy trades, and vice versa for the sell trades. Okay. Now, so the stop loss plays beyond the high or low or the breakout zone. Quick recap. So step number 1, place your resistance and support zones. Then if the price breaks the support zone, wait for the retest. That's where you enter the sell trade and make juicy profits. And vice versa, If the price goes and breaks the resistance, let it break, let it retest, and that's where you enter the buy trades for the juicy profits. And repeat the process. So for all your sell trades, take your profits above previous swing low, and for all your buy trades, take your profit below previous swing high. However, if you're a newbie trader and you are not that comfortable identifying previous swing highs, previous swing lows, then make sure that you enter these buy and sell trades based on the break and retest, and use these risk-reward ratios. So for take profit 1.5 or 2 risk-reward ratio. So go clean with 1.5 or 2 risk-reward ratio, or place your target at the next obvious support resistance zones. Okay. And if the trade flies in your favor, lock in partial profits and trail the rest. Okay. Trade with targets like a sniper. Don't trade like a gambler. I hope you enjoyed this video. You're welcome to join, please, my free Telegram channel. If you have any questions, you're always welcome to email me or text me on WhatsApp. All information is in my Telegram channel. And yeah, trade responsibly, enjoy your profits, and see you in the next video. And make sure you subscribe. Sorry for kind of a long video. I love you all.